Gotta try these homemade Cheez Its. They taste great and you only need 5 ingredients. Oh yeah. Homestead kitchen living. Let's make cooking fun again. These homemade Cheez Its are so easy to make. You only need 5 simple ingredients. Start with sharp cheddar cheese, add some salt and some flour, and then blend that all together. Now we're going to add some cubed butter to the dough mixture. As you can see, the butter is not blending properly, so we're going to split this apart into several batches and do each batch separately. We're going to add a little bit of milk to each batch, a total of 2 tablespoons of milk. This is what your dough should look like. Now we're going to roll this out. When we're done, it should be about 1/8 of an inch thick. I used a pizza cutter to cut the dough and a straight edge to make sure I got a straight line to cut it into about 1-inch squares. Now we're going to poke a hole into all the squares. Separate them onto a separate baking tray and season with salt appropriately. Into the oven at 325 degrees for about 17 to 20 minutes. Enjoy.